Dear students, in this section we will see ISO 9000. An excellent attempt to improve software quality is based on ISO 9000 series standard. ISO is International Standard Organization. This standard is important as it is becoming the main focus in which customers can judge the competence of a software developer. It has been adopted for use by over the 130 countries. One of the problem with ISO 9000 series standard is that it is not a industry specific. It is expressed in the general terms and it can be used by the developers to diverse products such as ball bearings, hair dryers, automobiles, televisions as well as software. ISO 9000 series of standard is a set of document dealing with the quality system that can be used for quality assurance purpose. ISO 9000 series is not just a software standard, it is a series of 5 related standards that are applicable to a wide variety of industrial activities including design and development, production, installation and servicing. Within the ISO 9000 series, ISO 9001 for quality system is the standard that is most applicable to the software development. Next is why get ISO 9000 certification, means the advantages of this ISO 9000 certification. So there is a mad scramble among the software development organization for obtaining the ISO certification, as it is provide certain benefits. So the benefits of this ISO 9000 is, first is confidence of the customer in an organization increase when the organization qualifies an ISO 9000 certification. Second advantage is ISO 9000 requires a well documented software production process to be in place. A well documented software production process contributes to repeatable and higher quality of the developed software. Third advantage is ISO 9000 makes the development process focused, efficient and cost effective. Next, ISO 9000 certification points out the weak points of an organization, and because of that it recommends the remedial actions, and ISO 9000 sets the basic framework for the development of an optimal process. Next is how to get the ISO 9000 certification. So an organization intending the ISO 9000 certification applies to ISO 9000 registrar for registration. So it consists of the following step. First is application. Once the organization decide to go for an ISO 9000 certification, it applies to a registrar for registration. Next step is pre-assessment. So during this stage, the registrar makes a rough assessment of an organization. Third, document review and adequacy of audit. So during this stage, the registrar reviews the documents submitted by an organization and makes a suggestion for possible improvements. First, the organization have to submit the documents to the ISO 9000, and according to that the pre-assessment test is completed. Next is compliance audit. During this stage, the registrar checks whether the suggestion made by it during the review has been complied with by the organization or not. Means the suggestions which are given in this document review and adequacy of point process, whether that is implemented by the organization or not, that is checked in the fourth stage. After that, registration, means the registrar awards the ISO 9000 certificate after successful completion of the previous phases. And next is continued surveillance, means the registrar continues to monitor the organization though periodically. Okay, so this process is continually in progress.